welcome to my channel. Today, we are doing a tutorial video about Genshin. We will be focusing on finding the optimal or proportional increases between crit value and stats. So, what exactly is Genshin Impact? Genshin is an open-world exploration single-player RPG with around 57 available playable characters as of now. These characters use 7 different elements which are Pyro, Hydro, Animo, Electro, Dendro, Cryo, and Geo. The unique aspects of Genshin revolves around the combination of different elements called reaction. For example, if you wet an enemy then put Cryo, it becomes, wow, frozen. I know, right? Astonishing. Now, the question about efficiency arises from the specific part of the game, which is called the Spiral Abyss. The Abyss, for short, is a mode in the game where you climb 12 floors that escalate difficulty more and more as you go higher. Not only does it get harder, you also need to finish every chamber within 3 minutes. For additional context, a normal character hit is around 3000 damage, but your enemies in the highest floor 12 have a health bar of around 1.5 million. This leads to people struggling to finish the extremely hard part of the game, and also opens the doors to heavy equation about the most optimal teams and strongest playstyles. Let's get started with our first tutorial. This entire section will be about stat efficiency. In Genshin, there are two widely popular stats called crit rate and crit damage. Basically, crit rate is how often you would get crit damage out of a possible 100%. However, right now, you are about to find out how important balance is.
Subject yan?
Genshin? Okay, so we have our special guest here, which is my father.
Ano ba yan? Ang hirap naman ito.
Don't worry, it all comes down to stats at the end of the day. Let's take a look at the character and create a spreadsheet. First, we compute the crit value.
But what is crit value?
That's a good question. It's crit rate times 2 plus crit damage. Now, we use a crit multiplier formula to see how important it is. And then, we do the same for your main offensive stat. Now, we take your attack and we put it in our spreadsheet. And as you can see, we have completed the values for each stat. This means that this stat is higher value than this stat, which is 2.37% compared to 2.36%. So, when you increase this stat more and more, it gives you more value and damage.
Oo, may damage double. Thanks for teaching me.
You're welcome, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Thanks!